How to create water splash simulation in Blender. Import a product model and measure the size. The product should be around 12 meters. Add cube of 25 meters of height. Add a plane and set it behind the object. Select plane and select fluid in Physics tab. Set fluid type to flow and other settings as shown. Now select Product Model, add Fluid, and change the fluid type to Effector and other settings as shown. Select Cube, add Fluid in Physics tab, change the fluid type to Domain and other settings as shown. Bake the domain properties. Add a lighting and assign fluid material.